Hello everyone, Chance here from our Business Hub, and I have some important information regarding the iPhone 12. After being delayed multiple times due to the ongoing pandemic, Apple gave us the information we wanted to hear. The iPhone 12 and its family will now be available for pre-order, and you can expect them very shortly. Apple has announced that there will be 4 models for the iPhone 12 family, the most of any iPhone in the company's history. Each of these phones will be 5G accessible, a first for any iPhone, and they will revert back to a design we haven't seen since the iPhone 4 with sharper corners and not rounded corners. Let's start with the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Both of these phones were made available for pre-order on October 16th and will hit stores on October 23rd. But what is actually the difference between these two phones and also the other two phones? Well, the two main differences boil down to screen size and rear-facing cameras. The iPhone 12 will have a 6.1-inch screen with 2 rear-facing cameras, while the iPhone 12 Pro will also have a 6.1-inch screen but use 3 rear-facing cameras and a LiDAR sensor for improved AR function. Now you're probably wondering, what if I want the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the iPhone 12 mini? Well, you're gonna have to wait just a little bit longer. Pre-order for both of those phones will not take place until November 6th, and you can expect them sometime around November 13th. Now, these two phones couldn't be more different. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, similar to the 11 Pro Max last year, is the biggest phone being released at a 6.7-inch display screen. It will also use the 3 rear-facing cameras and the LiDAR sensor. But the iPhone 12 mini will shrink in size down to a 5.4-inch display screen and will only use the 2 rear-facing cameras, but it will also be the cheapest of any of the phones released at $699.